India Today's Boria Majumdar brings you this exclusive ground report from Tokyo, unveiling the Desi roots blooming in streets of Japan's capital. From Renkoji Temple to Asakusa Shrine to famous Nakamuraya restaurant, we have got it all. Take a look.
India had the best ever outing in Olympics, with some memorable performances. While Tokyo sampled the brave show by Indian athletes, there are spots teeming with Indian flavors that has captivated the mega city for ages. Revered Asakusa Buddhist Shrine is one of the most popular tourist places in Tokyo. The shrine stores holy relics of Gautam Buddha presented by Sri Lanka to Japan in the year 1648.
So here I am at the Asakusa Shrine. As you can see, the most important thing about this shrine is that it has Gautam Buddha's relic, Lord Buddha's relic here. This is one of the most auspicious places, auspicious shrines. Let me show you a little bit. So there it is. If you can see behind me, so I had to come because the day we had with Neeraj Chopra yesterday, it made a lot of sense for me to come here to visit this shrine.
This is the famous Renkoji Temple, where the ashes of great freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose are purportedly kept. Even former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee visited the temple in 2001.
In this plaque, it is mentioned clearly by Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji when he visited here that मुझे रेंकोजी दोबारा आकर प्रसन्नता हुई जहां भारतीय स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के महान सेनानी नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की स्मृतियां सुरक्षित है. So this is from Atal Bihari Vajpayee on 9/12/2001. So as you can understand, this is an extremely significant moment in Indian history or a place.
Renkoji Temple is not the only place where one can reconnect with one's Indian roots. One of Tokyo's most famous bakeries, Nakamuraya, now a restaurant, dishes out some delectable Indian curry in Japan. The restaurant was started by the Indian freedom fighter Raj Bihari Bose, who had fled India in 1915 after Lord Hardinge's murder and spent the rest of his life there. Bose got married to a local girl, Toshiko. He started this restaurant with his father-in-law after his wife's death at an early age. The Little India blooming in Tokyo have been helping people of Japan savor Desi flavors and colors for long. With Boria Majumdar in Tokyo, Bureau Report, India Today.